Do you know that there are machines called ChatGPT that can help us with many things? They can help us work faster and better. They can also create new jobs and opportunities. If you have a job, you can still use ChatGPT to do your work better and earn more money. If you want, you can also work with ChatGPT and do different jobs as a freelancer. In this video, we're going to look at some of the easiest ways to make money through ChatGPT. Let's begin. Number 1, content writing. Content writing is a great way to earn money using ChatGPT. At the base of ChatGPT, it is like a superior Google that can not only research but also write it for you. It isn't perfect, but a good way to start something. The tool ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Content writing is a highly sought-after skill, and there's always a demand for good writers. Now that you have the means to write, how will you get started? Well, to get started with content writing, you can create a profile on freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Once you have a profile set up, you can start bidding in content writing projects. Clients may ask you for writing samples, so it's a good idea to create a few samples using ChatGPT to showcase your writing skills. When writing content using ChatGPT, it's important to ensure that the content is unique and high quality. You should also proofread the content to ensure that it's free of errors and flows well. With practice and dedication, you can become a skilled content writer using ChatGPT and make a good income from it. Number 2, social media management. Social media is a powerful tool for business to reach their target audience. However, managing social media accounts can be time-consuming and challenging. This is where ChatGPT can be useful. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging social media posts, create social media graphics, and even schedule posts in advance. This one, again, is a service-based way of earning, so you need profiles on sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. How about doing social media management and writing together? They do go hand in hand, but make sure to know that managing social media using ChatGPT can be tricky. It's a tool and might not give you the best results, and it's important to ensure that the content is relevant and engaging. To make it easier and further automate your work, you can also schedule posts at optimal times to ensure maximum engagement. With practice and dedication, you can become a skilled social media manager, and using ChatGPT will certainly help you and you can make a good income from it. Number 3, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is another way to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used to handle tasks such as email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, and more. Virtual assistants is a popular service, and there's always a demand for skilled assistants. Everyone who had a lot on their plate needs assistance. There's a demand in the market for it, and here again, to get started with virtual assistants, you can create a profile on freelance websites mentioned before. Once you have a profile set up, all you have to do is bid on virtual assistance projects. Now, clients may ask for examples of your work, and so it's good to have a couple samples before you bid. When providing virtual assistants using ChatGPT, it's important to ensure that the tasks are completed accurately and on time. You should also communicate effectively with the client to ensure that their needs are being met. With practice and dedication, you can become a skilled virtual assistant using ChatGPT and make a good income from it. Number 4, freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to earn money using ChatGPT. Many businesses and website owners are looking for high-quality content to engage their target audience and improve their online presence. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in this process, as it can generate articles, blog posts, and product descriptions that are both informative and engaging. As a freelance writer, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need content for their websites, blogs, or social media pages. You can use ChatGPT to generate the first draft of your content, which can save you a lot of time and effort. You can then use your writing skills to edit and refine the content, ensuring that it meets the client's requirements and is of high quality. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT for freelance writing is that it can help you increase your productivity. With the help of ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content in a short amount of time, which means that you can take on more projects and earn more money. You can also use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your writing, which can help you overcome writer's block and come up with new and innovative content. To become a successful freelance writer using ChatGPT, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First, you need to have excellent writing skills. While ChatGPT can generate the first draft of your content, you still need to be able to edit and refine it to ensure that it meets the client's requirements and is of high quality. Number 5, content creation. Using ChatGPT for content creation can also help you establish yourself as an expert in your field. By producing high-quality content, you can build a strong reputation as a thought leader and attract more clients or customers. This can lead to additional income opportunities, such as speaking engagements or consulting work. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you create content in multiple languages, which can expand your audience and potential income streams. With ChatGPT's language capabilities, you can translate your content into different languages and reach a global audience. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses looking to expand their reach in international markets. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering transcription services. ChatGPT can transcribe audio and video files quickly and accurately, which can save you time and increase your productivity. You can offer your transcription services to individuals or businesses, charging per minute or per project. This can be a lucrative income stream, especially if you specialize in a particular industry or niche. Finally, ChatGPT can also be used to create chatbots and virtual assistants. As businesses increasingly rely on technology to interact with customers, there is a growing demand for chatbots and virtual assistants that can provide instant customer support and streamline operations. As a ChatGPT expert, you can create customized chatbots and virtual assistants for businesses, charging a fee for your services. Number 6. Copywriting. Copywriting is all about crafting persuasive content that inspires people to take actions such as purchasing a product, signing up for a service, or downloading an app. To do this, copywriters must have a deep understanding of the product or service they're promoting and the target audience that they're trying to reach. They must also be able to convey the benefits of the product or service in a clear and compelling way. ChatGPT can be an incredibly useful tool for copywriters, as it can generate ideas and inspiration for headlines, taglines, and even entire sales copy. This can help copywriters save time and come up with fresh ideas for their clients. For example, if a copywriter is struggling to come up with a headline for a new product, they can input some information about the product into ChatGPT and let the AI generate some ideas for them. In addition to generating ideas, ChatGPT can also help copywriters refine their copy by inputting their existing copy into the AI. ChatGPT can provide suggestions for improvements, such as rewarding awkward sentences. This can help copywriters create more effective content that drives conversions for their clients. Number 7. Marketing. Marketing is a crucial aspect of any business, as it helps to promote products and services to potential customers. Marketing professionals use various tactics to reach their target audience, such as advertising, branding, and social media management. With the help of ChatGPT, marketers can streamline their work and increase their effectiveness. One of the main ways that ChatGPT can assist marketers is by generating ideas for marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can analyze market trends, customer preferences, and competitor activity to provide valuable insights that marketers can use to craft effective campaigns. This can save marketers time and effort, while also helping them create more engaging and successful campaigns. Another area where ChatGPT can be useful for marketers is social media management. Would you use ChatGPT to make money? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.